Last month, Sumo Logic and JFrog announced a partnership and introduced a new solution that's going to allow JFrog users to access advanced analytics and metrics right from Artifactory. And so first I wanted to say there's a webinar scheduled for July 21st that walks users through the integration. The URL is on the screen right now. So if you go there, you can register for the webinar and learn more about that. But Fred, can you kind of just very briefly, knowing that there's this webinar that they're going to be able to kind of go through, but just kind of tell us a little at a high level about what Artifactory users are going to experience. What's the kind of flow? How's this going to appear in the UI? What's that integration going to look like?
So basically inside Artifactory, we use a logback to do our own local logging from the Java application. And so instead of, on top of logging these logs to the file system, from the Artifactory UI, you will be able to declare your Sumo Logic account and actually get a Sumo Logic account out of the box with the full OAuth integration that we developed together, to have this log directly sent to a Sumo Logic dashboard, which was designed by us together, by JFrog and Sumo Logic. And so get immediately this analytics about what's going on the Artifactory environment and Artifactory server. And like I said before, this is something that is critical when you are in a cluster environment and a multi-service environment. So all those different logs will be aggregated into one single account. And so the dashboard will enable you to visualize which of your build servers are downloading how much, and if you're maxing out, one of the first things that we got out of it is, for example, we found out that one of the build agents kept downloading the same things and uploading the same thing, and it was actually slowing down just by the amount of network usage that he was doing just on this specific build machine. And so to split those kind of things really helped. There is way more about deploy time, about access, and of course all kind of security if someone is trying to access your server and all this kind of information. And sometimes for our big customer also, they like to see when you have multiple departments and multiple teams, you want to see which team is doing what, and which maybe there is a more efficient way to separate inside Artifactory or to separate Artifactory itself in a distributed way for those different pieces. And so those kind of analytics are there inside Artifactory. Inside Artifactory, inside Sumo Logic Analytics.
Got it.